Uroboros. Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. Uroboros. It comes from the Greek language. Oro means tail. Boro means to eat. A symbol of power in Greece, in ancient Greece. If you see the symbol Ouroboros, there is a snake that is eating its own tail. It means a creature that is eating its own tail. What does that mean? This word, Ouroboros, wants to say about the human life cycle. What? Life, death, rebirth, again and again and again and again and again and again. What does that mean, Amira? Well, it means insa amar hai. What? Yes, human are immortal. Life, death, rebirth, again and again and again and again and again and again. They are unique. There is so many unknown things in the multiverse that we don't know. And so many beautiful, mysterious things around us. In our body, soul, mind, aura. Yeah. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe to my channel, and write a comment for me. If you want to ask a question, write a comment for me about this video. Okay? Always remember, there is only one you. Okay? Be in the shelter of God's love, always, forever, and beyond. Love you. Ashe. Amira.